I think what is so meaningful to me about bringing my short from the rescue to the Autism Tree Global Neurodiversity Conference this year is that it highlights, I think, a very important theme of the conference itself, and that is the research that we do, the stories that we're telling. They have a purpose, and we can achieve the things that those stories and that research sets out to do. Um, when I was making this story about the Tran family who has been to events with Autism Tree, incorporating my cousin Aaron, who is a neurodiverse individual himself, it was a significant undertaking from flying him out from Portland, Oregon, out to Los Angeles, California, and having it be his first time on the plane, to the way that we had to reorient the way that we shot films and the way that we operated on set. It's no small feat, but the purpose of that was to amplify the voices of the autism community, from Peter to Aaron and others, and so that was important. And secondly, the achievement of it all. Once you get to a certain point, you start to see, okay, this is an achievable thing. We set out on a goal. We had a purpose of this, and we achieved that, and that has meaning. And I think the film itself also does the same thing, where at the end of the day, these families are hopeful, even despite the numerous sessions that they've had to go through, and the struggles that they face. They are hopeful and achieve that sense of communication with their son. And so what's so impactful to me is that I see that reflected in the conference, in the way that these researchers set out for a purpose. These families have hope of achievement, and to marry those two things together in the film, I think, is really special. And to share that with that community is even more so.